What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. We've got another S23 Ultra video to get through, so I'm still rocking the graphite S23 Ultra right now. It's been an absolute amazing device so far. I'm looking forward to bringing you the review and of course a day in the life video. That's coming soon, but we've got a lot of accessories still to get through. Pitaka were kind enough to send out the new MagEZ Case 3. I'm looking forward to checking this out. It is of course aramid fibre. It's ultra slim, lightweight, use MagSafe devices, and it offers a comfortable grip. So let's go ahead and let's take this out the box and let's see what you get inside it, and let's see what it looks like on the S23 Ultra. Now, I already know the lens, the ESR lens protectors will not fit with this case, so I've already gone ahead and took them off. If you haven't seen the ESR lens protector video, I'll leave it linked right here for you guys. But let's jump in, let's get this out the box. So this is what the front's going to look like. Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 for Galaxy S23 series, 6.8 inch device. It is of course the Ultra. Pitaflow for phones, 600D. Brief information on the back of what you're going to get. But let's go ahead, let's take this out the box. Like so. And you should just be able to pull up. Yeah, there we go. Same as other Pitaka products we've had. So, Alternative Tech Life, Pitaka branding on the bottom. Now this is of course a new logo for them. They don't normally include this, it's normally just this part right here, but this time we've got the Pitaka name on the side. On the back, what is Pitaka? Tells you all about them if you want to pause that and take a look. Magnetic clasp on the side, removal instructions, and the QR code for your fitting. There is that lovely aramid fibre case, Pitaka branding on the bottom, the camera cutouts. Let's go ahead and take that out. A little thank you envelope. Take that out. It is of course your fitting instruction guide and all the other products that they sell, and of course you can find the link for the website down below. Place that back in the box. So there we go, taking a quick look around. No real sides to it at all. It's very light. There's nothing really to it. Nothing on this side. I mean, even that looks a bit deeper than the curve, to be honest. And of course they are Magsafe compatible. As you can see, it says right there, compatible with Magsafe chargers and accessories. Let's just go ahead and get the S23 Ultra fitted. Placing it in at the bottom and then just slapping it in like so. And that is what the S23 Ultra is going to look like inside the Pitaka case. Looks really good, feels really nice, but as you can see, cutouts on the side for your volume rocker and your power button, but you can see where the side still protrudes. So not a lot of protection, but does this case feel good? I mean, it feels really, really good. Flipping it round to the bottom, cutout for your charger, and of course it is cut out properly. Speaker grill, and of course your access for your S Pen, like so. And then this side right here, as you can see, you can just see the black side rail edging into that screen, but let me know what you think of that. And on the top, cut out of course for your mic. Flipping it around, you've got your cameras. They are nice and recessed into that housing, so it's not going to protrude. Now, as I said to you, I did have the ESR lens protectors on, but they will not fit with this case. That feels really, really good. I mean, that is now, I think that's my new case for the foreseeable. I mean, yeah, you've got to worry, but it has got the white stone dome screen protected on the front. If you haven't seen that video, that'll be linked here too and in the description down below. But let me know what you think of the Pitaka case, the MagEZ case for the S23 Ultra. Now of course it is Magsafe compatible, so you've got all your Magsafe chargers. I've threw an Apple one here just to show you what it looks like. But you've got the likes of the ESR, the Anchor brand, all the other brands out there, as well as the Magsafe Duo charger that I use while I'm away. You know, I can now use any of my Magsafe products with the S23 Ultra. But I think that looks awesome. That is now my new case going forward. So everyone, let me know what you think of the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3. That is now my new case going forward. It's absolutely fantastic. That new Pitaka logo on the bottom, absolutely stunning. Pitaka have done an amazing job here, especially with the camera cutout on the top right here. Looks fantastic, feels great in the hand, and it offers a tiny bit of protection. I mean, it's not going to offer protection for them sides or your screen, but it is going to offer protection for that back, and it does look really, really good. Huge thank you to Pitaka for sending this out. I truly appreciate it, and a huge thank you to you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, be sure to let me know what you think of the MagEZ Case 3 in that comment section down below, and let me know what you think of the new set as well. We've got a new light, new desk, we've got A lot of stuff going on, new background stuff. All this will change behind me. Be sure to let me know what you think as we move forward now with the new chapter for the channel. This will be an entire new chapter now going forward. But thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys, stay safe.